Hello, it's Ulianka and today I'm going to show you PXP glitter swatches. Before we start, please like, subscribe and click the bell button to know when I post. I make a variety of time lapses, makeup tutorials and product reviews. So if that's what you enjoy, this is the channel for you. I'm going to apply glitter on rubber sheets. There are 12 glitters and 3 different colors for the background for each glitter. So I painted black, white and I left a cream color for the background. When I'm painting at parties, quite often I apply glitter not only on the skin but also over another color. So I thought I'll give you an example how it will look over dark and light colors. First I apply glycerin with a silicone spatula and then added colors over the top. Okay, now it's time to see the effects. And for you to see better, I'm changing the intensity of lights and its direction. Orange color looked like it was UV reactive, so I thought I'll check them all, but they are not UV reactive. And here you have all of the colors with their numbers. Add this video to your favorites so you can find it easily. I hope you find this video useful. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Bye! If you are on Instagram, pop into one of my accounts and say hello. I do arts and crafts, face painting, creative makeup and healthy food and travel. I hope to see you there.